Sheila Coronado Maliari, Filipino, school teacher, residing at Liliw, Laguna with 2 children, a boy and a girl. Sometime in September 1999, my daughter Soan got sick. I brought her in the homeopathic research clinic. Dr. Shaji Kudiat told us to have laboratory test first, and the result revealed she had typhoid fever, which is a bacterial disease. He gave us homeopathic medicine. In less than 3 days, fever has gone, and for 3 to 4 days, the typhoid fever was cured. Sometime in March 2000, I approached Dr. Kudiat for my son and daughter. Jemuel and Soan suffered chickenpox, a viral disease, for almost the same time. Of course, a high fever was really a problem. Dr. Kudiat gave us homeopathic medicine with the instruction that any medicine that will suppress the fever, like paracetamol, Tempra, Calpol, etc., not to be administered. Also, the child should abstain from coffee, chocolate, and avoid Campor, cola, or mint. It took them 4 to 6 days for complete recovery from chickenpox. Recently, in March 2002, Soan got fever from mumps, which is also a viral disease. She also felt pain in the lower jaw. I brought her to Dr. Kudiat, and once more, homeopathic medicine was given to her. Within 4 to 5 days, she was cured. In all of these cases, typhoid fever, a bacterial disease, chickenpox, a viral disease, and mumps, another viral disease, we never administered any conventional medicine like paracetamol, Calpol, Tempra, etc. for controlling or suppressing the fever. I asked Dr. Kudiat why. The main reason he answered, any such medicine only suppress the fever, not by curing the root cause for the fever. That is the toxin excreted or released by the bacteria or virus in the body, but by just acting on the temperature regulating area in the hypothalamus of the brain. By suppressing the fever, we are allowing the toxin present in the body to act on the body, producing complications. Dr. Kudiat told us to control the fever by putting a cloth wet with ice water on the forehead and wiping the body with a wet cloth so that the high fever will not produce convulsions or damage the normal functions of the body. My experiences to homeopathic medicines made me conclude that it is the medicine that is very effective for bacterial and viral diseases. My experiences convinced me to believe it. Of course, with the help of God, through prayers, is also a factor. And I thank God so much for bringing homeopathic medicine in the Philippines. Thank you.